Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So this is our project today. Have some potocarpus trimming. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 potocarpus that we're gonna be trimming. This one's on this side. We're gonna do a height reduction. As you can see, they're getting really tall, and they're right next to the garage and the driveway. So gonna be doing a height reduction, cutting it down from the driveway too, cutting it back, and from the roof gutters. And this one's right here, we're just gonna do a lightly trimmed, regular trimmed, and we're just gonna get that high point right there. Yep. There's another one. Then we have an olive tree. We're just gonna trim this olive tree, jet wood it, and that's it. And we're gonna take out this this one right here. It's right next to the concrete. So that's it for today. That's it for the first job. So, all right, guys. We'll see how it goes. Okay, guys. So here we have the final product. So we did a high reduction on this potocarpus. It was pretty high. We brought it down about the size, the height of the house. So, and then we cut it away from the gutters. That's clear. Cut it back a little bit. Still natural looking. And those there, we just did a trim inside, dead wood. Just trimming. Same with this one. This one we just raised it a little bit because of the light there. We have the olive tree, jet wood. And here we remove the other potocarpus. There was guts gone and no stump grinding today. Okay. So that's olive tree, natural looking, all of them. The carpus. Okay.